Life is about perspective. There can be one thing, two people, and both of those people see that one thing two different ways. Let me explain. So let's say someone's making both of them mad, right? Both of them are both feeling the anger inside of them. One person sees that anger as, why are they doing this to me? Why are they doing this to me? I'm angry. You know what? I'm gonna go attack you now. The other person can view that situation, the same situation, as, okay, I feel the anger, but I'm practicing self-control. So this is the perfect example for me to practice self-control, not lashing out. They're hurting me, but guess I don't gotta hurt them. They're hurting me with words. I ain't gotta hurt them back with words. Why? Because that's not who I am. That's not my character. Just because someone else vibrates low, I ain't gonna vibrate low with you. Because you hurting me, they gotta be like, why you hurting me for? You know? If you hurting me, you gotta be hurt. Hurt people hurt people. Because if you're feeling good about yourself, if you feel good about yourself, you think you're gonna go around hurting people for no reason? No. So, message of today. Watch how you view certain situations. Your life is based on your perspective about things.